Patil Junior College's General Knowledge Quiz Competition. It's a quiz competition arranged for our present 12th standard students. It's a very simple general knowledge questions to understand or to see how aware are you about the things happening around you. So today I'll give you a brief idea of quiz because everybody has joined through uh, online platform Google Meet and everybody is at home. There won't be any groups for attending the question. Instead, everybody will be individual participant. There are questions based on five areas: geography, science, then we have politics, we have who's who, and the last we have sports. These are the five areas on which we are going to ask you questions, and it will be a straight away 50 questions section. At the end of the 50 questions, whoever will answer maximum number of questions will be declared as winner. So I hope, and the way to attend the question is you're going to raise your hand through Google Meet. You're going to raise your hand through Google Meet. And I hope the instructions are very clear. All the best to all of the participants, and I hope everybody does well. So we'll start with questions from geography first. So here is your first question, and you will get 10 seconds to attempt. In 10 seconds, at least one should raise the hand to answer the question. So 10 seconds for each question. The first question is, which country has most number of islands? Which country has most number of islands? The options are Switzerland, Sweden, Denmark, and UK. So I can see many hands raised. So yes, I can see. So Sharzad Afsar will answer the question first.
Sir, Sweden.
Hello?
Yes, Sweden.
Sweden. Yes, that's the right answer. Sharzad Afsar. Okay, good. It's a good start. Then the next question is, which country has most number of borders? I'll repeat the question. Which country has most number of borders? Your options are India, Pakistan, China, and Mongolia. I can see Atharva Kharul.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Answer.
it is India, sir.
The answer is wrong. Anybody else?
Sir, China.
Who's that? Say.
China.
Payal.
Sir, China.
Payal.
Okay. Payal Sethi has given the right answer. Okay, good one. Then the next one is, the symbol of Indian rupee. Everybody knows us. Everybody of us know that the symbol of rupee was designed by dash. I want the name of that designer.
Uday Kumar.
Who's that?
Uday Kumar Dharmalingam.
Who answered that? Snail Bhandari answered first. Snail Bhandari answered first. Okay.
Sir, but you have
That is what I said. Please raise your hand and mute yourself first. Once you are listening to the question, Once you're listening to the question, mute yourselves. Only when you're given the chance to answer, unmute yourself and answer. Okay? Now the next question is Cherrapunji, the highest rainfall receiving city, is in which Indian state? Cherrapunji is in which Indian state? Kaustubh Pawar.
Mizoram.
The answer is wrong. The next one
Meghalaya.
is
Meghalaya, sir.
okay. Just a minute. Mm. We'll drop the question because many of you have answered. I told you raise your hand, unmute yourself. I'll give you a chance to answer the question. We'll drop this question. This question is dropped. The answer was right, but the question is dropped. Where's that? Okay. Then the next question is Nairobi is the capital of which country? Aparime Tiwari.
Sir, Kenya.
Yes, right. Okay. Then the next question is which continent is part of both northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere? Yes, Shivani Yadav.
Brazil.
Wrong.
Not
Atharo Kharol.
Africa, sir.
Yes, right. Atharo Kharol has given the right answer. The answer is Africa, right. Then the next question is when is World Earth Day celebrated? When is World? Yes. Sherzad.
22nd April.
22nd?
April.
Yes, right. 22nd April is the right answer. Then the next question. Smallest country in the world. Yes, Aparime Tiwari.
Vatican City.
Yes, right. Vatican City is the right answer. Okay. Now the last 2 questions more in geography and then we'll move on to the next section. The next question in geography is Machu Picchu is one of the 7 wonders. In which country it is? Viraj Kandre. Okay. Kaustubh Pawar.
Japan.
No, wrong.
Sir, Peru.
Who's that?
Peru.
Shravani
Shravani.
Kedari, Peru, right. Shravani Kedari has given the right answer. It's Peru. Okay. Then let's go to the next part. Last question in geography. The currency of Bangladesh is dash. Sujal.
Den. Taka,
What's the answer?
Bangladeshi Taka.
Yes, it's Bangladeshi Taka. Sujal Sunil has given the right answer, and that's the end of geography section. At the end of first round of geography, we have scores. I'll give you the scores. Aparime Tiwari has answered 2. Snehal Bhandare has answered 1 right answer. Shravani Kedari has answered 1 answer. Atharva Kharwal has answered one answer. Sherzad Afsar has answered two answers. Sujal Sunil Payal Sethi has answered one answer. Good. Let's go to the next section, that's science. Now in round 2 or the section 2, that's science. Now you have 10 questions from science. Okay. The first question in science is, Albert Einstein received Nobel Prize in which year? Viraj Kandre.
None.
Viraj Kandre.
1921.
Madhu has answered yes, 1921.
Sir, 9.
Gobur Madhu, 1921. The answer is right. Good. See, I have that benefit of putting the captions on, so I can get your names also with your answers. That's a benefit over here. Okay. Then the next question in science is, diabetes develops as a result of a problem with which specific organ in body? Yadav Shivani.
Heart.
No, wrong. Rahul Jangir.
Pancreas.
Rahul Jangir.
Pancreas.
Rahul Jangir, I want your answer. Okay, Snehal Bhandari has answered the question. That is pancreas first. Snehal Bhandari answered the answer first, so she gets it. The answer is pancreas. Okay. Next, what do honeybees collect and use to create honey? What do
Sir.
honeybees?
Nectar.
Yes.
Nectar.
Who's
Nectar.
that?
Madhu.
Shravani.
Madhu. Okay. Please raise your hand. I'll give you the answer. I'll give you the chance. Don't misbehave because this is on. This is in recording. Okay. The next is, when the light changes its direction when passing through the lens is called as dash. Light passing through the lens changes its direction is called as dash. Kaustubh Pawar. Kaustubh Pawar. Atharva Kharul.
Refraction, sir.
Yes, Atharva Kharul gets it. It is refraction. Then the next question is, how long does a human red cell survive? How long does a human red cell survive? Viraj Kandre. Sherzad Afsar.
110 days to 120 days.
110 days, 120 days. Right? I'll give you it. 110 to 120 days. Sherzad Afsar. Okay. Then the next, which is the largest known animal? Which is the largest known animal? Aparime Tiwari.
Sir, the blue whale.
Yes, blue whale. Right. Okay. Then the next one is, what is the unit of energy? Very simple. Sethia, Payal Sethia.
Joule.
Payal
Joule.
Sethia.
Joule.
Yes, Payal Sethia has given joule. I'll give it to her. Snehal Bhandare, please raise your hand and then answer. Okay. Then animals eating both plants and meat are called as dash.
Carnivorous.
Yes, who's that? Snail Bhandare. Sorry, the answer is wrong.
Sir,
Omnivorous.
Omnivorous. Sorry.
Omnivorous, sir.
Omnivorous.
No, the question is dropped. The question is dropped. I told you. I told you not to run through or the answer. Raise your hand. I'll ask you. The question is dropped. No, nobody gets it. Okay. Then two more questions from science. Which part of the brain deals with hearing and language? Yes, Rahul Jangir. Rahul Jangir.
The temporary lobal.
Yes, temporal lobe. The answer is right. So Rahul Jangir gets it. Last question from science. Last question from science. And for science students, that might be very easy. I hope so. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity?
It's 9.8 into
Yes, Snehal.
9.8.
8 meter per second.
Okay, Snail gets it. Snail gets it. So that's the end of science. That is end of science round. We'll go to the next part. That is politics. We'll go to the next part. That is politics. Okay. Be ready, because this is neither a science subject nor it's a commerce subject. I hope the art students would do well in this. The first question in politics is, which Indian state has largest number of Lok Sabha seats? Yes, Aparime Tiwari.
Uttar Pradesh.
How many?
I think 68.
Aparime, you get the answer for answering the name of the state. The number of seats are 80, not 68, but you'll get the answer for the name of the state. The answer is right, Uttar Pradesh. And the seats are 80. Okay. Now the next question in politics is, longest serving chief minister in India. I want the name. Yes, Payal Sethia. Sherzad Afsar, yes. Sherzad Afsar.
Sir, Pawan Chamle.
Pawan Kumar.
Payal Sethia gets it.
Pawan Kumar.
Payal Sethia gets it. Okay. Now, next question. When is non-resident India Day is celebrated in India? When is NRI Day celebrated in India? Ashwini Mawas.
9th January.
Yes, right. So Snehal Bhandare gets it. Snehal Bhandare gets it. Then, next question. When was Indian National Congress formed? Gobur.
28 December 1885.
Yes, 28 December 1885. The answer is right. So Gopur gets it. Next. Next question is, when did Right to Information RTI come into force? Yes, Kaustubh Pawar.
15 July 2005.
No, the answer is wrong. Snail, the answer is wrong. I won't take your answer.
15.
Rahul Jahangir.
15 June.
Sir,
No, the
15
answer
June.
is wrong.
October 12th, October 12th.
15 June 2005.
12th
No,
October 2005.
no. Yes, who's that?
12th
Sujal.
October.
Sujal Sunil has got it. Sujal Sunil has got it.
Yes.
It's October 2005. Sujal Sunil has got it. It's October 2005. I was looking for October 2005. Anyways, good attempt. Next question. When was Article 370 abolished? When was Article 370 abolished? Snail Bandare.
5 August
5 August. Year?
2009.
No, wrong. Gone. Wrong. Next. Next.
2019.
No. I won't take your answer now.
6 August 2009.
Who's that?
Sir,
Gopur.
1947.
नहीं कौन है वो 1946 वाला वो तो और
1949.
6 August.
5 2019.
August 2019.
2019, 6th of
August
August.
5 2019.
Yadav Shivani gets
2018.
it. Yadav Shivani gets it. 5th August 2019. Where's it? Yes. Yadav Shivani gets it. 5th August 2019. I wanted a complete date because it's a very recent event that has taken place couple of years back. So I wanted a full date. Anyways, next question in politics. When was India's first general election held? When was India's first general election held? Aparimay Tiwari.
Sir, 1950.
No, wrong. Rahul Jahangir.
Sir, 1951.
Yes,
1945.
1951. Rahul Jahangir gets it. 1951. Next question. RTI is applied in all Indian state except dash. Rahul Jahangir. Aparimay Tiwari.
Sir, Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, Rahul Jahangir gets it. Rahul Jahangir gets it. It is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Comparatively easy question. Snail wonder why you have raised your hand. I haven't asked you question yet. Okay.
By mistake.
The question is, what is the minimum age to contest a Lok Sabha election? Yes, Payal, sit here.
18.
80.
No, wrong. Wrong.
Sir, 21.
21, sir.
21.
Wrong.
25.
Who's that?
16.
26.
Rinam Panjwani has got it.
25.
Rinam Panjwani has got it. 25. Second last penultimate question in politics. Who's the chairperson of Rajya Sabha? Viraj Kandre. Sujal Sunil.
Venkaiah Naidu.
Yes, you get it right. Venkaiah Naidu. Okay. Last question in politics. The President of India addresses his resignation to dash. So whenever he resigns to whom? Aparimay Tiwari.
Sir, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha.
No, wrong. Next. Sherzad Afsar.
Parliament.
Vice President.
Sherzad Afsar.
Vice President.
Yes, Vice
Parliament.
President of India. The answer is right. Sherzad Afsar gets it. Okay. That's the end of politics. Now last two rounds. The first round is who's who. who's who is the round. And my first question in who's who is, who's the governor of Maharashtra? Yes, Viraj Kandre. Yadav Shivani.
Uddhav Thackeray.
No, wrong.
Bhagat Singh Koshari.
Who's that? Snehal
Bhagat Singh
Bhandari.
Koshari.
Payal.
Snehal Bhandari got it. Bhagat Singh Koshari. Next question. The Finance Minister of India. Yes, Gopur.
Nirmala Sitharaman, sir.
Yes, who's that? Atharva Kharol has answered. Atharva Kharol gets it. Nirmala Sitharaman. He gets it. Then, the Education Minister of India. Payal Sethia.
Ramesh Pokhriyal.
No, wrong. That's wrong.
Dharmendra Pradhan.
Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani.
Just a minute. I have to drop the question. I'll give you one by one chance. Yes, Rinam Panjwani wants to answer.
Smriti Irani.
Wrong. Then Atharva Kharol wants to answer.
Prakash Javadekar.
No, wrong. Gopur Madhu.
Shri Dharmendra Pradhan.
Yes, you get it. So Gopur Madhu gets it. Who's the CEO of Google? Who's the CEO of Google? Yes. Shravani Kedari.
Sir, the CEO.
Sunil Pichai.
Sir, Sundar
Pichai, sir.
Sundar Pichai.
Snehal Bhandari gets it. It's Sundar Pichai. Okay. Who's the Chief of Army Staff of India? Yes, Atharva Kharol.
Bipin Rawat.
Yes, right. Bipin Rawat is the Chief of Army Staff, right. Then, next is, who's the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Yes, Aparimay Tiwari.
Om Birla.
Yes, right. You get it. Then, who's the Chief Justice of India? Chief Justice of India, CJI. Yes, Sethia, Payal Sethia.
Sharad Arvind Bobde.
N.V. Ramana.
Who's that? Snehal Bhandari gets it. Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana. Right. I hope Snehal Bhandari is doing well, very well. Next. Who's the founder of Infosys? Aparimay Tiwari.
Sir, Narayan Murthy.
Yes, you get it, right. Narayan Murthy is the founder of Infosys. Good. Last couple of questions in politics. No, sorry, in who's who. Who's the Defense Minister of India? Yadav Shivani.
Rajnath Singh.
Yes, Rajnath Singh. Yes, Rajnath Singh. I give you. Rajnath Singh. Yadav Shivani. Yadav Shivani has given the answer. Now, last and very easy question. Very, very easy question. And for this question, I'll take only raise hands. Or if you give, all of you give a combined answer, I'll drop the question. So raise your hand. The question is, who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra?
Uddhav Thackeray.
Yes.
Uddhav Thackeray.
Question.
Uddhav
Yes, yes.
Thackeray.
Shravani Kedare gets it.
Uddhav.
Okay, you can give the answers. I have no problem, but Shravani Kedare will get the point.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now to the last section of our quiz, and the section is sports. First question in sports. When did modern Olympics start? Yes, Sherzad Afsar.
6th April 1896.
1896. Yes, the answer is right. You get it. Okay. Then the next question is, where is 2032 Olympics to be held? 2030. Aparimeti Tiwari, go on.
Sir, the United States.
No. Next, Rahul Jangir.
Brisbane.
Sir, Brisbane.
Who's that? Who's that?
Brisbane.
Australia, Brisbane.
Yeah, Brisbane.
Australia,
Brisbane,
Sir,
Australia.
Brisbane.
Sir, Brisbane, Australia.
I'll drop the question. I'll drop the question.
But sir, I already answered it.
Who's that?
Sir,
Rahul
Sir, I
Jangir.
have
What did you
to-
answer?
Sir, Brisbane, I answered first.
No, I'll drop the question. Sorry, I'll drop the question. Okay. Next. Anirban Lahiri is associated with which sport? Yes, Payal Sethia. Rahul Jangir.
Sir, golf.
Yes.
Golf.
Yes. Rahul Jangir gets it. The sport is golf. Okay. Next question. Very simple and very easy one. How many international centuries does Virat Kohli have?
70.
Yes, Aparimeti Tiwari.
70.
Yes. Yes. Shreyas Bole gets it. 70. Shreyas Bole. 70. Okay. Next. Against which country Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th international century? Nana Sahib Sarde. Sujal Sunil.
Bangladesh.
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 South Africa.
Rahul Jangir answered
Bangladesh.
it first. Rahul Jangir answered it first. The answer is Bangladesh. Rahul Jangir gets it.
Sir, but मुझे पूछा था sir.
कौन था वो? तो why didn't you answer first?
I answered ना sir. ये बीच में ये लोग सब जन बोले.
Sir, but I answered.
दोनों को एक दे. Both of you will get. Don't worry. Okay. Last Olympic gold medalist of India. Last Olympic gold medalist of India. Payal Sethia. Sujal Sunil.
Leander Peace.
Wrong. Yadav Shivani.
Mirabai Chanu.
Wrong. My question is very specific. Last gold medalist, Olympic gold medalist of India.
Avinav Bindar.
Who's that? Yes, Shehzad gets it. Sherzad Afsar gets it. It's Abhinav Bindra, 2008 Beijing Olympics. Okay. Now this will be easy for the boys. This will be very easy for the boys following cricket. Most number of test wickets in international cricket. Yes, Reyes Bode.
James Anderson.
Wrong. Next.
Sir, Mulaya Murthyidharan.
Huh?
Murli
800.
800.
800.
800.
Sir, 800.
Who's that?
I answered.
800. Payal.
I'll Sethia will get it.
I
And
also.
Sir, I also answered the same.
Sir,
Rahul Jangir,
Aparimay answered.
Aparimeya, Madhu Gopur, and Rahul Jangir. Three of them will get the marks for this.
Sir, I also answered Payal.
Next question. Rahul Jangir, Madhu Gopur. Okay. This is done. Now, name a bowler who has taken 19 wickets in a test match. Yes, Aparim Tiwari. Rahul Jangir.
Kumbal.
No, wrong.
Jim
Sunil.
Laker.
Anil.
Jim Laker.
Anil Kumar.
Yeah, who's that? Who's that?
Jim Laker.
Yes, Snail Bhandari gets it. Snail Bhandari gets it. It's Jim Laker.
Sir, I said it before her.
Who's that? Rinam
Rina.
Panjwani. Rinam Panjwani, one more. What's the answer, Rinam?
Jim Laker.
Okay. Last two questions in sports, and that would be the end of the quiz competition. Olympic medalist in Sydney Olympics 2000. Indian Olympic medalist in Sydney 2000.
Which medal?
Now, the medal, I want the name only.
Okay.
Karnam Maleshwari.
Yes. Yes. Gopur gets it. Madhu Gopur gets it. Karnam Maleshwari. Last question of the quiz. Last question of the quiz. Captain of Indian football team. Aparime Tiwari.
That's Sunil
Sunil
Chhetri.
Chhetri.
Sunil
Yes.
Chhetri.
Yes. Yes. So Aparime Tiwari answered it.
Yes, sir.
I hope you have enjoyed the quiz.
Yes, sir. It was very
Yes,
fun.
sir.
And because it was online, we had to go through that online media. We had to use that hand raising digitally. If somebody has missed, please don't be disappointed about it. You'll get a next chance in next event. And thank you for your participation.
Thank you, sir.
We will see you soon for the next event. Thank you very much. You may
Sir,
leave.
who won the competition?
You may leave.
So what's
Thank
the
you.
next?
Thank you.
The result will be declared on the WhatsApp group, and every other our even divisional groups and our stream groups. Don't worry, the result will be out soon. But I hope everybody knows the result. As the way the answers were given, everybody knows the result.
Then the result will be get how
And
much everyone got?
the result will be declared by evening today
Okay, sir.
in your WhatsApp groups, in your division groups, in your stream groups. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, and thank you for your participation. We'll see you soon for the next event.
Aparimay Tiwari first. Second Snehal.